can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey you guys, so you would have seen in the last vlog that we went let me take down my hair. It's actually quite heavy on the top of my head. Okay, much better. Okay, you guys would have seen in the last vlog that we went to the Bronx to go buy some stuff at the African market. Anyway, we went to the African market in the Bronx, and I wanted to show you guys the things that we got and maybe try out some of the things that we got. That I've tried some of the things here, like I've had certain elements of them, but then some I haven't. The snacks I haven't, so I'm gonna try those out for you guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is one of the first things we got. This is a yam tuber. Yeah. Yam tuber. So this is yam. We bought 2 of these. Yom likes to make yam chips. He just fries them. Like he cuts it up, peels it, and fries it. I'm not the biggest fan of yam, to be honest, but Yom likes it, so we bought that. And then we also bought this Hausa cocoa millet flour, which is used to make a porridge, and it's actually similar to in Namibia if you're Shuambo Okatete Komahangu. It's pretty much the same concept because this is also millet. The only difference, I think this is a finer flour. And I think they also add, if I remember correctly, the last time we were in Ghana, they add a bit of like spice, pepper in here in the porridge. But we bought some of that as well to try and make it. And it's interesting because in Ghana they sell it in a little plastic bag, like you know those 50-cent ice from back in the day. That's how they sell it in the morning. It's very interesting. Yeah, by the side of the road. And then we got these things, guys. Yom says it's condensed milk. Yes. And so that's why I took them, because I really have just been wanting condensed milk for some of my baking and cooking and things. And I haven't found any because I don't think it's very common here in America. But then we found this brand, Peak Milk. And yeah, so we got these, but they only had the small tiny ones, right? I didn't see the Peak Milk of this. The other ones were all evaporated. Yeah. So we got a few of these, so I'm gonna try them on later. And then Yom picked up these. They're called honey beans. They're just beans. Yeah, I was about to say they look similar to the beans we have at home. And then Yom got some snacks. These are this peanut snack. It's upside down. Sorry guys, it was upside down. I remember my colleague Ade, when I used to work at the law firm. She was so excited when someone had brought these for her. So she was very excited. Okay, and then we got kenke. Babe, remind me again what kenke is.
It's like fermented flour. Yeah, but this one is different. Like it's not like the original kenke.
Is it the one we had on the side of the road and I didn't enjoy that you and Salom them had?
No.
What was that?
That's a bolo.
Oh yeah, that was a bolo. I don't like that. It's very strange. And then okay, Yom got some peppers. I mean he could have got peppers at the store downstairs, but anyway. And then we picked up these AB Pastries chips. Chin chin.
Yeah, these are chin chips.
What are they made from?
Flour.
Are they like, do they make them specifically, or is it like a side product of something else?
No, they make the flours and just roll them into this. Okay.
And then we got roasted cornmeal called Tom Brown. Right?
Yeah. So you roast the maize and then
you roast the maize and then you
meal them into powder.
And then you grind it into powder.
Yeah.
And then we also got some Malta Guinness. Yom is very excited about this. This is gonna be his Christmas drink. We might share one tonight. And then also he's very excited about this. We got some palm wine.
Yeah.
He says it's supposed to be alcoholic, but they don't say anything.
No, initially it's not alcoholic, but it ferments quickly.
It ferments quickly.
If you open it and you don't finish it, like the fermentation process is very soon, like very like.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we also got some Milo. This is actually not very common. It's not you don't find it at all here, no?
I found it here before.
At the Spanish grocery store?
Yeah, the Spanish grocery
Yeah.
store. And even downstairs, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is not Spanish, but
Yeah,
I feel like it copies the Spanish vibe. This too. Tell me, you guys. I say Milo. Yom says Milo.
Yeah, it's Milo.
It's Milo, right?
Yeah, it's Milo. We used to say Milo growing up.
Yeah, because I saw Esnam now said Milo too.
Yeah, it's Milo.
And then guys, I bought custard powder. I was so excited when I saw this. This is a UK custard powder. I've never seen it, but I mean custard is I think originally from the UK, so I think it will be fine. You guys saw how when I tried to make Malva pudding, my custard was not the greatest when I tried to make it from scratch. So this is gonna be great. We're gonna try the Malva pudding with custard again for Christmas, and I'm excited. Okay, now that all that is out of the way, actually Yom is actually busy cooking. What are we having today?
Just something quick. Just chicken and plantain.
Chicken and plantain.
Plantain's gonna go back to it.
Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna cook.
Any of these days? No, not today.
Not today. Okay. Anyway, guys, so let me quickly try out this.
Okay, what?
Calm down. This
wine is not the joke too.
Chips. AB pastries.
AB. Don't be saying AB. Are you advertising the people? It's just chips.
So no sugar.
No, no sugar.
But it's all plain tasting.
Okay, drop it.
There's no salt too.
Cannot be hearing blasphemy of a.
Okay. Give up on that. I mean, like I taste the flour. It's like it tastes like flour, basically, because there's no flavor. What is the flavor supposed to be? Is my question. You guys could see what Yuma's doing to me, right? Anyway, can I try one of these?
Yeah.
This is the peanut snack. I think did I try it with Ade? I don't remember. Can I have a scissor? Okay, so we're trying this peanut snack.
The reason I bought this is so I can mash it.
And then
Think like smoothie.
smoothie.
You can drink, yeah.
This?
You can mash it up.
Well, it's not bad. I don't mind this.
That is great.
Actually, my tooth is sore. I don't know what this dentist did. Let's go back. Can I have a sharp knife? Oh wait, we have a. I don't want the can open. I just want to make a little hole. Do you know how to open? No. The other ones, the ones that are not serrated. You guys know how to open condensed milk? Do you know? You have to make 2 holes. Oh, okay. That's how we do it in our house. Oh, can I have a smaller one? You can't open the whole thing. You just open, cut that, then you know. That's how we used to do it in our house. In fact, one of my last memories of my brother is me and him blowing it. Because someone had to blow for the other person after a point when it becomes hard to blow. This one is small. I don't. Condensed milk, guys. Old school. Not bad. It's a good condensed milk.
It's a great condensed milk. What's wrong with you?
I'm not bashing it. Wow.
Use the right adjectives, Nicole.
No. Okay. Bring a glass so I can try that. You know I haven't had this, did I?
You didn't? Not in Ghana? Oh.
Let me clear my mouth. Tasting all these things need a clean palate. I'm gonna try the Malta Guinness. So this is a non-alcoholic malt drink. So okay, we're about to pour the malt. Oh, so dark.
It's a malt drink.
I've never had a malt drink. No, I'm scared because it's so dark.
Drink it. Can even add milk in there. Makes it nice.
Is it sweet?
Drink it, yes.
I've never had anything like this in my life before.
Really?
No. And I don't know what to describe the taste as. I mean, it's not bad.
Okay, let me make it much better for you. Give me that.
So we're adding milk.
Add some milk and drink it. That's if you, like if you're lightheaded. Like,
like generally in life.
Yeah, like if you feel like your blood sugar level is low. This has like this Baileys or Barley's.
Well, I think I prefer it without the milk actually.
So Barley's has a way of, I think it helps with the blood production. So even if you like do blood donations, if you do a blood donation.
Am I trying the palm wine or no?
Fine, we can try it.
Why you don't want to open it?
Yeah, it just has to. It's cold. It's fine.
Okay, can I drink this? I mean, if you want to open it at a later date, it's also fine.
Yeah, later date.
Okay, so we're only doing the palm wine at a later date, so stay tuned. But yeah, guys, little Ghanaian food haul, West African food haul / taste test over here. Exciting. Anyway, we went and got these because we wanted to have some Ghanaian. Oh babe, we got like meat and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So we got like goat meat and stuff because again, it's not a thing here. We should have actually made goat meat for dinner. Or you want to save it for Christmas?
We can make it. I've already cut this thing.
Yeah. So goat meat is not very common here. We go to this one shop, like it's a Mexican, like a Spanish store where they have goat meat, but yo, that shop, they really try our money, hey? Like you get these pieces that have no meat, it's just bones, and they're so expensive, and they're like 5 pieces in a pack. So we went to this place and we bought some goat meat. We got, do you get tripe?
Yeah, we got tripe.
We bought tripe, like cow tripe, so I'm gonna try cook that in the slow cooker or in the pressure cooker because I think it will be easier, and then at least it won't smell so strong too. And then did you buy oxtail?
Yes, we did.
And then we bought oxtail as well from there. So yeah, I think like these ones, they're actually like slaughtered, like proper slaughtered, like normal slaughtered, not like the commercially slaughtered vibes. So hopefully they taste better. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, if you've ever tried any of these items before. Hey guys, so I was actually trying to end this video when my memory card got full, but I was saying thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've had any of these items before and what you think of them, and thanks again to everyone watching the vlogs. It's the final few days, so y'all better be watching, and I'll see you guys soon.
It will always be Christmas in my heart.